Hello, good morning. Yeah, still good morning. Sorry I look like this. I just finished my workout like 5 minutes ago. I was catching my breath because I'm doing some new workouts and they are killing me. But today I'm gonna do a full day of eating. But first, I'm not a medical doctor. I'm not a health professional. If you wanna follow my recipes or the recipe that I create from Pinterest or online, please consult your doctor. And also, if you want to follow my workouts, please also consult with the doctor. Like I was saying, oh my god, I'm gonna be doing a full day of eating today. I just finished my workout. I'm not hungry, so I'm gonna do my protein shake. It's not really a protein shake because I don't like the aftertaste or the feeling that I get every time I do like actual protein shake. So I'm gonna do, let me go here. This is a new one. If you've been follow me or subscribe, you know this is my favorite one. So pure. This is it. This is the second bottle because the first one I drink everything. So I'm gonna do this to break my fast with my collagen. This one doesn't taste as bad as the other one that I was drinking. Almost forced. Because, you know, if you saw the video, it was horrible, but I don't like to waste anything, so that's why I did finish it. Let me put this here. Meantime, I do, okay. So, I'm gonna do, let me grab my cup. So, I'm gonna do, like I was saying, the collagen. I read online and I did some research and turned out it's true. That is the best way to break your fast is doing like protein. Maybe eating some meat, doing protein shake. But it's the best way to break your fast. I've been fasting since yesterday at 4 p.m. So it has been like 18 hours ish or so, because I don't remember it. So I have some steaks already cooked on the fridge, so today my plan is to use them. I have some sirloin steak, I think it is, and also the sirloin is cooked, the T-bone it isn't, but it's on the fridge, so I'm gonna do that today, maybe with sweet potato, I'm not sure yet. And the sirloin, I'm gonna do like a sandwich. So this comes with the scoop. It's gonna be it's gonna be 1 scoop. Oof, gosh. So here's like 12 ounces of water. Like I was saying, I read that it's the best way to end your fast with protein right away, maybe after maybe 30 minutes tops after you complete your workout. I did cardio today, but that one killed me. It was like 35 minutes non-stop, so yeah. If you saw the previous video that I talked about this shake, you know that it turns pink. The kid in me enjoys it. I don't know why. So and one of the benefits of the collagen, it says, let me read it down here. This is the Neil Cell collagen type 1 and 3. It helps for healthy skin, hair, nail, and joint support. It says on flavor. Yeah, basically I'm drinking it for my joints because my hips, I used to dance when I was a teenager, and my hips it does like a weird noise, and that it doesn't hurt. It's like bother me, but it's weird. It's weird every time that I'm doing a specific movements. I got the discomfort, so that's why I'm doing the collagen. I'm trying to be consistent, but I sometimes forget to drink it. So, but yeah, yeah, it is thick at the bottom. Let me grab a spoon. And yeah, like I said the last video, I think it was, that I post. I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna do that like a playlist. I want to lose weight, but I also want to gain, at least retain my muscle mass. I don't want to lose that muscle mass. So that's why I try to hit my macros when it comes protein. And this protein and the collagen, I did buy it with my own money. It's not sponsored, but I have a link. I'm gonna put it down below. I have an Amazon store, and both of them are linked in the description box. They are not paying me for this. Like I said, it's not sponsored, but if you buy anything from that link, I will get a little bit of a change that helps me to keep this running and free. So I just warm up this steak. I'm not sure what type of steak it is, but it is lean, so I have to compensate the fat that this doesn't have. I'm gonna do a sandwich with my trusty Ezekiel, however you pronounce this. Bread. I'm gonna put some butter. I'm gonna put some cheese, and yeah, I'm gonna do like a Philly cheesesteak with this sort of type of. I've been craving chips, so I'm not sure. I will have to work on my macros because I was planning, like I said before, to have to do sweet potatoes. So yeah, we'll see. I'll be right back with the result of my sandwich. This, I can toast this a little bit more. Let me put it at a lower level. Oh, I'm gonna use the Sargento baby Swiss. I'm gonna do probably 2 slices because that steak is completely lean, so it doesn't have any fat. Slice. This says that has 5 grams plus the, love me some cheese. So 2 slices and put this back to the microwave. This, look at this. Look at this. So, oh, the toast is ready. Pretty. Was almost a tablespoon of the mayo. Let's put this steak. Oh, this looks so yummy. No cheese left behind. The lettuce. Yes, yes, yes. And the other toast. Yep, so this is it. My version of Philly cheesesteak. I don't want anybody come for me because I know this is not a Philly cheesesteak, but I like it to color like that. But it looks so bomb and yum. So this is lunch slash dinner breakfast slash lunch. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I decided to do like a dessert because I wasn't hungry to do like another meal, so I decided to do like a dessert type of thing. So I wanted it to eat for the longest time. I wanted to eat strawberry covered in chocolate. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm gonna do strawberry chocolate cover. That's how you say it. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna use the Lily chocolate chip with sweetened with stevia. Yeah, with I think it's stevia or erythritol. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna use around 2 ounces of it. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. It's gonna be around a tablespoon of it. I'm gonna use the Crisco one. Refine it because I don't want the coconut flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna try to add a tablespoon of it because I'm gonna melt this in the microwave. And if I don't add the coconut oil, it will burn the chocolate. So yeah, that's why I'm adding the coconut oil. It's really hard doing it with only one hand because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. But yeah, that's is what I'm trying to do. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna put that in the microwave for around 30 seconds, I think, sort of, kind of. So I'm gonna use these strawberries that I bought on the supermarket, and I'm gonna remove, or I'm removing the top part where the leaves are, cause yeah, I won't be eating that part anyway. And I'm gonna wait. It's gonna be like 5 ounces, I think. Yeah, 4.5 ounces. The chocolate is ready. You only need 30 seconds, cause if you do more, it will burn. So, well, it's gonna depend on your microwave, but on mine is like 30 seconds or so. Then, like you can see, I'm start to move um or mix basically everything. It's hard to do it with one hand, so I'm gonna lay the camera. But yeah, 30 seconds. Mine is on high speed, the microwave, and then I start to mix everything. I thought I got a good shot of it, but clearly I didn't. But you get the idea on what I'm doing with the chocolate. The thing that I like with this is using the coconut oil. I think it's because of that the chocolate, when you cover the strawberry, it tends to get a little bit hard. Like the coconut oil, when it's solid, it's the same consistency. Consistent, yeah, texture. You know what I mean. So yeah, that's why I like to use coconut oil. I'm not sure if you can use any other type of oil, but with the coconut oil, that is the consistent that I get. So yeah, and basically now it's the fun part. Is covering the entire um strawberry with chocolate. I think no, I don't think. I know that is a lot of chocolate for only 4 strawberries, but I wasn't sure, so I better have more that I need. So yeah, basically this is it, guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And remember, like I always said, sharing is caring. Remember, like this video, comment below, and also make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. See you next time. Bye bye.